As a region, we're seeing the new set of challenges and needs this generation of kids has brought to our doorstep. Kids were increasingly wanting to hang out one-on-one. So what was a 1-hour hangout with 10 kids became 10 one-hour hangouts with individual students because that's what they needed. Young Life staff and area directors were handling a high number of relationships, kids and adults, too many for one person to handle.
Area directors would often get sort of stuck, like, I can't even think about reaching this new school or doing this new opportunity because I'm just trying to survive and kind of hold on to what I already have.
A lot of our staff feel isolated, they feel stuck in the same cycle.
What we want to do with that is we want to move mountains away and reach more kids.
The Move the Mountains campaign is meant to come around staff, show them that they're not alone, give them opportunities to move mountains and move obstacles that are in their way, that they can reach kids and not be encumbered by finances, not be encumbered by loneliness, and just feeling stuck in the same pattern over and over again.
And so we've developed 4 things we're really excited about to help our Young Life staff and leaders impact more kids.
The health supervision piece is we want to create a good supervision structure, support our staff well, we want to train, equip them, we want to go to new places. But we also want to build on where we're currently established, and our supervision team helps us accomplish that. And then we have our contact work coaches.
We will be training coaches to walk along current and new Young Life leaders to teach them how to build relationships and share Christ through those relationships with our adolescent friends.
It really is about developing leaders that are going to transform their communities. And so the name came Developing Future Leaders.
We can concentrate on developing them, developing their skills, helping them to build relationships in communities with people who want to partner with them so that every kid is reached. Then we've given them a huge gift and an opportunity that they don't have right now.
And then we also have what we call Built to Last Fund.
Some of the communities that need Young Life the most are not able to support an area director and a ministry financially. And so the Built to Last Fund is going to help these areas get to places that wouldn't be able to get Young Life with our traditional funding structure.
And what we're looking for Built to Last are opportunities to help an area that falls into a challenge, a hardship, a staff transition, or areas or staff that are isolated in small towns. And we can come alongside them and help support them in a time of relief.
Once we get to that point and get them to a healthy place, personally, they're developed well, they know how to do their job well, then we are able to see a lot of growth there.
We have leaders and staff that were once frustrated, once feeling like they were just treading water, and now they're going, I want to do this for the next 20 years because now I have a 20-year plan. Now I have things that I want to do that go beyond just the next 6 months.
Now we can maybe reach this whole other population of kids because we can bring in this other staff person or even part-time person.
For us, it has been a blessing because it gives us the opportunity to train leaders who are and look like our communities.
The DFL program for Gallatin Valley Young Life, I think would be a game changer in the sense that we would be able to help our leaders take some financial burden off of their life, and so instead of them getting another part-time job or something, they would be able to be with kids more.
To be able to come behind areas and regions and leaders and staff to really equip them to go out and do contact work and meet kids and build relationship with kids is just so incredibly important to us that we just love supporting it, and we continue to support it.
Our overall hope for Move the Mountains truly is this, that staff can do what they felt called by God to do, and that's reach more kids. And that the obstacles can be out of the way, and that joy and that passion of seeing kids' lives changed, that we're all on board for that and no one's left out of it. Join us. We want you to be a part of this Move the Mountains campaign. Let's talk, let's have a conversation, and see what God's going to do these next 5 to 6 years.